Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. Today we're looking at what is inside a Snickers chocolate bar. Alright, this is part of the multi-pack. Okay, so it's only a small one, type of thing you get on trains and stuff, airplanes. So without further ado. Okay, the first thing you'll see is he's got like a marbled effect on the top. Underneath, classic smooth, will get rolled off the machine. So okay, so that's exactly what is in his Snickers. You've got your hard toffee caramel at the top with a come get some nuts, and the nougat at the bottom. So that's it, guys. Simple look at what is in a Snickers bar. Thanks very much for watching. Have a good evening. Bye for now.